Hi there, Giantan Kop from DevriX here. We are at HackTUES today. It's a school in Bulgaria, and they make a wonderful hackathon about technology and pretty interesting projects. We are going to have an interview with some of the participants and some of the organizers to see what the projects are about. It will be a wonderful day. The organizers of HackTUES, Ivo, tell us how is the event going according to you? What is your opinion on the teams?
Oh well, with Michael, we are in the organizational team of this event, and we are really enthusiastic about this. We were really grateful that we were chosen to manage this everything in this situation.
So there are a lot of very interesting and very different and unique ideas, starting from a simple maze or a simple quiz, from going to the most advanced things such as machine learning, blockchain. It's really astounding to see what our classmates and what students who are younger than us are capable of and what they can do. And it's really mind-boggling that things that we don't even learn at school they're using these things in their projects, and it really makes you proud to be from this school.
Misha, why have you agreed to be from the organizers team?
Well, first of all, what I wanted to do most is to improve on my web development skills. After all, I'm the one who's responsible for the website for the event. And secondly, I wanted to be more collaborative, work in collaboration with others. And last but not least, I wanted to learn to do my work in a scheduled fashion so that I can meet my deadlines and be prepared for future assignments and potentially even at the workplace when I get these projects so I can complete them in the deadline.
Okay. And how do you guys find this year's event compared to last year's? Could you make such a comparison?
Well, to be honest, last year the previous organizers had a lot more space to work with. Now that we are confined to the school, we had to think of a way to fit all 200 of the participants inside this building, which was quite of a challenge by itself. But we managed to do it. It was very, how should I say it, pleasurable and very interesting to see everything going to plan. Everything went exactly as we planned it. There were no major problems with any of the logistics and things like that.
Okay. Do you have a favorite team?
Well, to be fair, I genuinely enjoy all of the team's projects, and I sincerely hope, at least, I actually hope that all of them make it to the finals. I don't have a favorite, but the projects are all amazing.
Okay.
Yes, I have to agree with him because every young man who is 8th grade now they know better things. They know more things than us.
Furthermore, what I believe is certainly a bit more unique than what other hackathons do is, first, of course, it's organized from students by to students, but secondly, there isn't as much tension as there is in a regular hackathon, because when you go to a hackathon organized by, for example, I don't know, the European Union or the American University, they are a lot more mature and a lot more serious. Whereas when you're here with your classmates, you don't have that problem with being on the tension. You can always go to a classmate and talk with him about your problem, and there are absolutely no worries in that he will look funny at you. Or
here we're like a brotherhood. There's no one who don't understand, who don't know.
Okay. Thank you both, guys. It was great, and we will go to see how the teams are doing now. Thank you. We are here with Daniel. Daniel, please tell us how old are you?
I'm 14 years old.
Okay, and is this the first time you participate in HackTUES?
Yes.
What is the reason you participate in the hackathon? It's about winning awards or getting some experience?
Experience, and when I have more experience, awards will come.
Okay, it's a very interesting project you are doing here. Could you tell us more about it?
It's a game, and it's endless game with a man running, and there are obstacles against him. And when he dies, he is asked a question to gain a new life, and it's very interesting, by the way.
Okay, are the questions hard?
Yeah, they are logical, and you have to think for them.
Since the whole event is about technology and the topic is technology for everybody, could you tell us why, according to you, technology is important?
Technology is important because it's in everyone's life. Without computers, you can't do anything.
Guys, tell us how old are you?
I'm 14.
We're 14. Yeah. We are 14.
Yes.
Okay, and what motivates you to participate in HackTUES?
Maybe the team spirit and that we can show to everyone in this school what we can do with programming.
Yes.
Yeah, with everything that we know.
Mainly the money, but
You're
the
interested
things.
in the money.
Yes, but the things I learned here are much more helpful for me. Yes.
We made this set to measure
Yes,
the
this is our
temperature,
thing.
humidity, and the air pressure. And it's made by a Raspberry Pi and
BMP 280 chip sensor who is capturing,
Yes.
measuring the temperature, the humidity, and the air pressure.
Tell us more about you and your project. How old are you?
I'm 14 years old, and our project is a mechanical hand that is moving and catching things and moving them all around. And she can move too, but we are not we haven't finished yet.
Okay, and what is your motivation to take part in HackTUES? It's about winning the prize, or you just want to
maybe-
develop something?
Yeah, I just want to develop and learn something new with our mentors and everything, so I can make progress in my future.
Evgeny, hi. Is this the first time you participate in the event?
No, it's actually the second time I participate in this event.
Okay, and how do you find the atmosphere of the event? What are the topics? What are the topics you selected?
It's very interesting here. The topics are two this year. So the first is professional technologies. The second is life technologies.
Okay.
We've selected, our team and me, life technologies.
Okay, and could you tell us more about your project? It seems very interesting here. It's kind of messy now, but still
Yeah.
developing.
Now it's a mess, but in the future, maybe after 1 or 2 days, here will be a finished project that will be called maybe AIF. It means Automatic Indoor Farm.
Okay.
So the project is about helping people who love to grow plants. It's automated, and that means that it will do the work for you.
Okay, work like watering the plants,
Yeah.
helping them grow, and it
Yeah.
could be used in farms and in households, pretty much everywhere.
Yeah, if you want, you can put it in the basement.
Okay, that's great. It will be really helpful, I'm sure. Teddy, could you tell us what do you think about the event this year?
Well, the event this year is bigger than ever. That's the tendency with our HackTUES events. We have above 200 participants, above 50 mentors this year, 30 people who have the responsibility to bring food and water and all this stuff.
Teddy is from the organizers this year, but you have participated last year.
Yes.
Could you compare this year event than previous years?
Well, all the events have something unique about them. This year it's our theme. It's a very major theme. You can work and create projects about business or technologies that help you every day, like some mobile apps or web sites.
Okay, and do you have some favorite team or a project?
Well, actually no. They're very interesting project this year, and I can't tell you who is the best. In my opinion, they're all the best. I really like them.
Thanks a lot, and thanks for the T-shirt as well. It suits me well.
Thank